My name's Aman and I am the director here at Replace Your Blinds. APPWRK Solutions Limited have been fantastic for our website development side of things. I found them on Upwork and they went ahead and designed this spectacular website, super modern, minimal input. They were always there when we had to ask any sort of questions or anything like that. And, you know, proper professionals know what they're doing. And if I just go through a bit now this website, bearing in mind this website, it wasn't just a bog standard website. There was a lot of functionality to it, and we did it at a short period of time as well. Going through the website, this is what they designed, okay, exactly how we wanted it. So I put it down on paper and they brought it alive. They worked with us, bespoke, you know, a bit of back end, so it's not everything's just not plugins. They designed a few things from scratch. So if I click on this, now what we had to do is we had to have a pricing table for our products, and what they managed to achieve is, you know, where customers select their measurements, width and drop, and the price is based on how large or long a customer's size is, so you know, things like that. But I highly recommend them. They're fantastic. I wouldn't use anyone else now. To be honest, there's no need, because they do everything. They've you know, you can tell they're proper professionals. Their website development skills are fantastic, to say the least, really. But I'll definitely be using them again. Do check them out and take care.